you like to have a healthy Cinco de Mayo with healthy pico and cheese dip?
Let's get started right now. Hi, I'm Kenny Loy. I'm a certified nutritionist. I've been helping people with the house since 1999.
And I'm Joann Loy, and I'm a certified raw vegan chef, and I've been uncooking since 2010.
We like to remake comfort foods in a healthy way. And today we're going to remake cheese dip and salsa, both raw, vegan, and healthy.
So let's get started on the cheese dip right now.
We need almonds, lemon juice, sea salt, ground pepper, basil and garlic, and balsamic vinegar. You can add nutritional yeast for an even cheesier flavor, but it's optional.
How are you celebrating Cinco de Mayo at home? Let us know in the comments below.
Blend in a high-speed blender. You will likely need the tamper.
Be sure and download our free 5-day meal plan in the description below.
Yum, look how creamy. This makes a great cheese dip and is so delicious and healthy. You can put it on raw vegan pizza and dehydrate it. Or you can make some zoodles and mix it in for mac and cheese. It also goes well with raw vegan lasagna, which we'll make in a future video.
Now for the raw salsa, we'll need 6 small vine-ripe tomatoes, 3 small cukes or 2 medium cucumbers, 4 sweet or hot or both small peppers, 2 limes juiced, 1 lemon juiced, 1 small onion, red, white, or both, 2 teaspoons of dried cilantro or a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, 1 teaspoon of salt substitute, we use Mrs. Dash, lemon and pepper, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, we use Himalayan salt, and pepper to taste. Funny story, when Joann and I were dating, I made her this salsa. She's not fond of tomatoes, but she loved it. She was amazed though at how perfectly diced the tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions were. She just assumed that it was the perfectionist engineer in me. Here's Joann's method of slicing up fresh cilantro. One day she brought it up about my perfectly diced veggies, so I showed her my secret. You just slice everything in flat or medallion shapes and put them on this contraption. I just love fresh cilantro. If cilantro tastes like soap to you, see our detox smoothie video to learn why. Since tomatoes are the messiest, I'll start with those. Wham! So simple and quick. We've been through a few of these, but Joann finds them like new in thrift stores. This one was only $3. Look at those beautiful diced tomatoes. The rest of the veggies will clear out the mess from the tomatoes. And those delicious cucumbers. You can't have pico without onions. I love a combination of sweet and hot peppers and usually put at least 1 jalapeno, but we made it mild for Joann. Stir it up. And then add the juices and spices. We use Himalayan pink sea salt. Let it sit and marinate before refrigerating. Look at those beautiful colors, and it's as delicious as it looks. Serve it up with raw crackers or add it to a taco salad with the raw cheese sauce.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
And ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of our future videos. We upload videos every week with healthy tips and recipes to get you to your best health yet. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Kenny Loy. I'm a certified nutritionist. I've been
You've been helping. Keeping them piles.
That's a good one, like a heaping helping of something.
That'd be a good blooper.
Yeah, it would. I think I'll use it.